Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit dip without cream cheese, easy method. Start by stirring 1 cup plain Greek yogurt with 2 tablespoons honey and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract until smooth. Add a pinch of cinnamon or a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Chill for 10 minutes to let flavors marry, then serve with fresh fruit. Taste and adjust sweetness before plating for best results. Gather your ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and any optional spices like cinnamon or lemon zest. Measure everything so the mixing step is quick. If you prefer thinner dip, stir in a splash of milk or orange juice. For vegan options, swap yogurt for coconut or almond yogurt and use maple syrup. Keep flavor adjustments small and taste as you combine the yogurt, honey, and vanilla in a medium bowl and whisk until smooth and airy. Taste the mixture and add a pinch of cinnamon or a little lemon zest if you want brightness. If it's too thick, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons milk until you reach the desired texture. Cover and chill for 10 minutes, then stir again and serve with a colorful platter of fresh fruit for a quick snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.